Here's the fall 2012 Exam 1 from EF 151. We'll work through this one problem at a time. Be sure to read over the instructions, put your name and section on the cover page. Alright, if we look through the exam real quick, we have two 8-point problems, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 14-point problems. Okay, so let's just start at the beginning. You don't have to, but if you weren't comfortable with one, you might skip over it, but we'll get started right here. So number 1 says a boat load is 1360 cubic feet, dualies 1.9 meters, number of cubic dualies in 3 boat loads. Kind of a silly problem, but the purpose here is obviously to see if you can do unit conversions. It's always important to identify the type of problem and what the instructors are looking for. Alright, so we have to start with 3 boat loads. We want to end up with cubic dually. So dually is a unit of length. It's equivalent to 1.9 meters. Okay, so we'll talk 3, we'll just abbreviate it, boat loads. We have to go from boat loads to cubic feet. So here's the conversion there. So 1 boat load on the bottom is equal to 1360 cubic feet. Okay, we have to get to meters because dually is defined in terms of meters. So we'll do 1 foot, 12 inches, 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters, 100 centimeters in a meter, and 1.9 meters in a dually. Alright, also important, we need to cube that number, which means we need to cube that number. Likewise, that number. Likewise, this number. Okay, so let's come over here to our calculator. And plug it in, 1360 times 12 cubed times 2.54 cubed divided by 100 cubed divided by 1.9 cubed. Common mistake is to forget the cubes. Okay, if I look over this, I've forgotten one thing. I've forgotten the initial 3. Oops. I've forgotten to multiply the initial 3. So I had it written out. I would have lost 1 point there. But if I check my work just a little bit, I'll get 16.8. Alright. 16.8 dualies cubed. And write it in the box. Okay.